This is my GoPro Hero 4 Black 4K action camera, and this is my lens. As you can see, it's got little abrasions right across the front center eyepiece, and to top it all off, it's even got some little nicks. Right in the middle there. Well, the good news is, I've managed to fix this. And I'm going to share with you how I fixed it. It was really cheap to fix. I didn't have to go tearing my camera apart or anything. So if you've got an action camera or a GoPro or a similar camera item, you'll be able to maybe fix scratches like this as well. So here is the before footage, before I fixed it. And at first you might be thinking, John, this looks fine. There's nothing wrong with this footage. But I'm going to show you what it is. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. So I've paused it here. Do you see it yet? Well, if you still hadn't see it, turn your YouTube quality up. But here are the smudges. These are the little white smudges that appeared on the camera after I got these scratches. Now, I know some people would probably not be too bothered by this, but those smudges weren't there before, and I really don't like how they look on my footage, and I wanted to get rid of them. So, let me show you how I did it. This is the Meguiar's Ultimate Car Compound. And this is a compound that you can use to remove scratches on your car. Well, guess what? It works good on camera lenses too. So all I had to do was take a little bit of this car compound, and I took just a very small bit, and I put it on a Q-tip. You don't really want to use a whole lot of this stuff. And don't dig the Q-tip into the lens. Just use the Q-tip to dab the parts that have the nicks, scratches, and abrasions. And then take a microfiber cloth, not a paper towel, take a glasses microfiber cloth and rub it in gently but carefully. And you're going to want to just keep doing this. And you probably have to do this depending on how bad your scratches are. In my case, my scratches were not that terrible. They were just bad enough to distort the image. But if you've got more serious damage, you might need to sit there for a while. I did this for about 20 minutes, and this was the result that I got. Check it out. You can see that a lot of those horrible, at least surface scratches, are gone, and some of the nicks got filled in by the car compound. So now, let's take a look at what it looks like outside. And I'm really pleased with the results. You really don't see those horrible smudges like there were before. And I looked around a lot of things here. I'm looking at the grass here. I checked to see if the quality was distorted. I was a little not sure that this was going to work, but it did. It looks beautiful. The camera image is fine. I am really happy with the result. I guess my camera wasn't damaged enough that this car compound was able to get in those nicks and scratches and get rid of them and fill in what needed to be filled in, so that way you don't have that light refracting the way it did. As you can see, look, this picture is beautiful. No problems at all. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. I hope that maybe this video will help you fix your action camera if you end up with the same problem. This car compound was just like $8, so you don't have to buy a whole new lens. It's obviously not going to work to save you if your lens is really cracked or really badly damaged, but if you're like me and you just want to get rid of some little abrasions, it can get you out of a jam and get you back working. Alright, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, have a great day, guys.